Dear viewers, I welcome you all to this video. In this video, I am going to share with you the syllabus for BA 4th semester Sociology, that is methodology of social research. Unit first, introduction about social research. And in this unit, you have to study meaning of social research, B, nature and scope of social research, C, types of social research. Unit second is research design, and in this unit you have to study A, meaning of research design, B, types of research design, that is descriptive, explanatory and exploratory, C, significance of research design. Unit third is sampling, and in this unit you have to study A, meaning of sampling and significance of sampling, B, types of sampling, that is probability sampling and non-probability sampling, C, advantages and disadvantages of sampling. Unit 4 is tools and techniques of social research, and in this unit you have to study A, questionnaire, B, interview, C, observation. Tutorial, then references or recommended books. Research methods by Ram Ahuja, published by Rawat Publications. Research methodology by Pradeep Kumar Bose, published by Indian Council of Social Research.